Hi everyone, in this video you'll see me trying something new. I got some of these wooden planks today and I thought I'd try pouring on them. So first I'm pouring some tea, of course, and now I sanded it a bit and I'm looking if it's leveled, which it is, and I'm putting a layer of gesso on it just to see if maybe that will make the paint stick on it better instead of sinking into the wood maybe. So that's what you see me do here. This is teakwood, by the way. Okay, well, the gesso dried and I took this painting as an example of the colors. So it's white, magenta and pinks and purples a bit, and some burnt sienna and gold and bronze. So I'm putting together a flip cup with white as a base. There we go. Dum da dum da dum, dum da dum da dum. And I could wait, so there we go. And look at that. I was really happy with that flip cup. I was having some trouble with my torch again, but I finally got one of them to work. And I got some beautiful cells here. Even without torching, by the way. So I thought I could make some decorative planks. I don't know what you call them. Maybe you could serve something on them, or just put them in your room for decoration. On the table or something, I don't know. So I also ordered some art resin to try and resin this when it's dried, so that it will actually be protected against some moisture and that kind of thing. The pour turned out really beautifully, and I am very curious to see how it'll dry. As you can see in these pictures, it's beautiful. I have two more of these slices of wood, so if this turns out nicely I might try this again. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked watching this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and look forward to my next video.